This is Chef Seth. Welcome to Noodles Italian Cafe, my kitchen, our restaurant, and we invite it to be your home. We have the most famous happy hour in Naples. We have over 50 small plates. Over 50, not 50, but over 50. All these different dishes that you see here. We have all kind of varieties. You want salad? This is our garden salad, marinated cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onion, fresh basil. Our Greek tomato salad, spinach salad, seaweed salad, fresh mussels. How about one of our homemade pizzas? Pepperoni, cheese, margarita, small individual happy hour sized pizzas. Make you a nice chicken breast, fajita style, with mushrooms, onions, and peppers. You want beef? These are our tenderloin beef tips with a mushroom marsala sauce. Little mini pork ossobuco, braised in a rich reduction of wine and vegetables. You want to go back to the healthy items? This is a Popeye saute, fresh spinach, garlic, sauteed all up together with broccoli. How about calamari? We have two different calamaris, not one. We're famous for our Asian calamari. That's tossed in a sweet sesame garlic ginger sauce. And this is a regular Italian calamari with a marinara sauce. Bruschetta is on the menu. We have 5 different bruschettas. Here's a sample of 2 of them. This is our shrimp scampi bruschetta with basil, tomatoes, and a scampi sauce. This is our margarita tomato bruschetta, named after Queen Margarita. Even sushi is on our happy hour menu. This is our salmon cucumber roll. We have a white tuna roll on there. We have a red tuna. We have a shrimp tempura roll. You want sushi? We got it. Here's another wonderful example of how Noodles does East meets West. This is a edamame, but this is garlic style. So this is light garlic and olive oil tossed with the edamame, or you can have it plain like most restaurants do, but we offer both ways. Lemon pepper shrimp skewer, fried stuffed mozzarella cheese sticks, and that's only a sampling of our dishes, like I said. Lots to drink, beer, wine, house martinis, cocktails. Come out and see me. Bring all your friends because I got a lot of food to enjoy. Noodles Italian Cafe and Sushi Bar on Pine Ridge Road, Naples' best happy hour, #1 spot with over 50 dishes, reduced price drinks, Monday through Sunday. That's 7 days a week. An extended happy hour on Wednesday and Thursdays. We have live music, Jersey Bob singing. We have Omar Baker sings on Wednesday nights, Jersey Bob's on Thursday. See you soon. Tune in every Wednesday for Noodles recipes, tips, and tricks. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Seth Berman.